Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these 2 square boxes and a little tray from Dollar Tree, scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, glitter drape, a star, and a little cup from Dollar Tree. I started by taking moss colored chalk paint by Waverly and a sponge to apply it, and covering all of the outer edges and the back of the 2 square boxes and the little tray from Dollar Tree. I just gave each of those 1 coat. Next, I'm taking ivory colored chalk paint by Waverly and a sponge and applying it to the plastic cup. These I got in a 6-pack, so I just used the 1 and I covered it with 2 coats. I then took the same chalk paint and brushed it on the inside of both boxes and tray. Next, I'm taking all of the wooden boxes and tracing them out on the scrapbook paper, which I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm tracing it out on the front so I can see where the image is to make sure I get it nice and straight. 1 piece was enough to cover all 3 of the boxes. And since I traced the back, I do need to cut some of the excess off on all of the edges. Once I have it trimmed down to size, I brush the inside of each of the boxes on the bottom part of them, which will be the back for what I'm doing, and then place down my scrapbook paper, smoothing it out with my hands, and then with some saran wrap to get any bubbles or wrinkles out. I then use my heating tool to dry them, going back in occasionally with the saran wrap and just smoothing it out. Once that under layer was completely dry, I did another layer of Mod Podge on top of the scrapbook paper, again drying it with my heating tool. Next, I'm taking this glitter drape and I just cut a piece of it wide enough for the bottom of each of the boxes, so right below the tree image. I just trim it down to size, and then I'm taking Mod Podge, applying it to the bottom side of the box where I have the image, and just the very front little rim part of the box. I place down the glitter drape, so it just looks like some fake snow, and I'm scrunching it up with my nail, just pushing it around to make it look not so flat, so it just looks more realistic. And then I push it on the trim part of the front of the box and use my heating tool to dry it, and then trim up the excess on the front. I do that to all 3. I then take some different figurines and trees from Dollar Tree and hot glue them inside each box. And then I'm taking this gold trim, I'm not sure where I got it, and I'm taking that and hot gluing it around the bottom of the cup, which will actually be the top for what I'm using it for. And I do go back in later on and add a piece to the bottom as well, just using some hot glue to attach that. And then I just have to put it all together. The tray, the largest box, is on the bottom. I hot glue the next size up of the boxes and place that down, and then I do the same thing with the smallest box. So it just is going to be in the shape of a tree, just going smaller as you go up. Once I have those 3 attached, I take this gold star from Dollar Tree, put some hot glue on the bottom of the little spring, and place that on the smallest box right on the top. I then place the plastic cup upside down, and I add some hot glue to the center of it and place down the largest box. And then add back in the gold trim on the bottom of the cup. And that is it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.